If you have a residential project that you're working on and you have some lights in mind, but you need a little help figuring out if it's going to be bright enough, feel free to send over the info. I'm happy to run the calcs on my end. We could create a video about it. That way everybody can benefit. And with that, let's jump into today's video. All right, let's design a pantry. So the first thing we need to do is figure out the square footage of the room that we're working on. So let's grab that. Okay, so about 68 square feet. And let's go over to our calculator. I'm going to go with medium finishes. We're going to have white painted walls, but on the shelves in the pantry, there's going to be a lot of cereal boxes and other things that are darker colors. So we need to factor that into account, which is why we're going to go with the medium calculator. And I'm going to come down here to kitchen and pantry. So our target is 30-foot candles. And I think I said 65. What was it? 68. We do have some generous ceiling height in here at about 11 feet. So let's grab a snip of our lumen target, which is 3309. I'm going to paste this back into the plan so we can refer back to it. Okay. Okay, so 3309, we could do adjustable lights. I'm thinking maybe a flush mount makes the most sense so that we're directing some light downward, but a lot of the light is actually coming out of the sides, which is going to help us illuminate the shelving of this pantry. So let's get in there. Probably, I'm debating whether we should do 3. Let's see where we're at from a lumen standpoint. So if we go back to our calculator, let's go find a placeholder flush mount light. Okay. So we'll come back here. So 2 at a 1600, that's 3200. So that's pretty close to our target. We could kind of call it a day with this. I do want this one centered on this door, and then within this circulation path here, I think it makes sense to have the lights centered there. If we wanted to try a different approach, let's say we go with some adjustable lights. Maybe we do this multi-head adjustable so that we can aim light into this shelving, aim light over here into this storage area. And then let's do a second one here at the end. Aim some lights there. Let's see where we're at from a lumen standpoint. Let's go back and find a placeholder adjustable. Let's grab this one. So 2025 each. So that's 4,050 lumens, which puts us, a little bit over our target. That's just fine. I think the challenge here is, and actually with both of them, is that the lights are kind of far apart. So I was saying that the ceiling is 11 feet. So actually I feel okay with this. This distance between the two lights isn't more than 11 feet. So I feel good about the coverage that we're going to get. All right, look how easy that was, right? That's not too bad. Hopefully you're becoming a huge lighting nerd like me. If you have a project that you're working on and you have some lights in mind, you'd like me to take a look at it, I'm happy to do so. If you'd like another set of eyes on where you're at, happy to do that. Let's make sure you're set up for success. I'll see you in the next video.